Charisse with Caliber Real Estate with the August 25th market report. We're going to talk about local stuff first. So average sales price over the last 12 months in Orange County is up 2.6%. We looked at different areas, Anaheim, Villa Park, North Tustin, but overall the highest was Villa Park at 9.3% up from last year, and the lowest was Anaheim, still up 3.2%. So why the prices are going up is because inventory is so low. So the county as a whole is down 25.7%, meaning there's 2.6 months worth of inventory. So if nothing new came on the market, it would only take just over 2.5 months for everything to sell. Villa Park has the most inventory at 3.9 months worth of supply and down 25% from this time last year. Anaheim is the lowest with only 1.9 months worth of supply, down 29%. People were wondering if there's going to be a huge flood of foreclosures hitting the market with forbearance. They're saying, oh, I'm going to wait to buy because inventory is so low, it's so competitive, and there's going to be a ton of foreclosures hitting the market. Well, reality is the experts were predicting that forbearance would be about 30% of everybody with a mortgage would be in forbearance right now. Reality is that there's only about 7.2% of the people currently in forbearance. The numbers have been slowly declining month after month. In May, we were at 8.47% and down to 7.21% in August. Of that 7.21%, there's only 3.93, not only because obviously that's still over 3 million people who are in forbearance, but the numbers have been declining, and of that 3.93%, that means it's an active forbearance. So people are taking advantage of the forbearance program, and because that 7.21% was everybody who applied for it, and just because they applied for it doesn't mean they skipped a payment. So the active number is 3.93, which is lower than the month before, which is good. Affordability. So again, people are saying we're going to wait to buy because prices are so crazy right now. If you look at affordability because of the low interest rates, California is more affordable now than it was in 2017. So if you're waiting for a ton of foreclosures to hit the market to buy, you're waiting for prices to come down, you can actually afford more house right now than you could in 2017. So just something to think about. Unemployment, we've been talking about unemployment for the last few months, every time we've recorded this. So this month, or this 8/15 was the first time that unemployment has ticked up in a couple of weeks. It ticked up 0.1%, or it went from 1 million to 1.1. But if we look at Orange County numbers, those numbers for Orange County actually dropped from June. So in June we were at 13.6%, and now we're down to 12.3% for July. So the economists are not predicting, or nobody that's reputable is predicting that we're going to see a huge jump in unemployment. Obviously, we don't have a crystal ball. We can't predict that if this was just an anomaly, that it jumped from 1 million to 1.1. But none of the economists are predicting that it's going to be a trend moving forward. Hopefully, this was helpful for you. If you want to know more about your home in particular, or if you're thinking about buying, want to figure out if right now is a good time for your current situation, reach out to us. We're happy to help. You can reach us via email at info@caliberre.net or my cell phone 714-292-3210. Thanks. Have a great day.